Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Cosmos Atom USDT trading pair with my custom maker set. Let's dive in, guys. I remember that Psalm 21, everybody together with Polkadot talk about Atom like some crazy super blockchain, super tech, and this token should skyrocket to the $100, and it's definitely this strong fundamental project. So last cycle, by the way, will be the great example. So last cycle, this token pump 4,000% gains. This is a COVID dump, March 2020. If you've been here, you remember the total madness, total euphoria on the markets at that time with crypto. And so here was a May, then summer drop, bounce. Keep in mind, 4,000% gains. Now the people wait from every single token, and in Psalm 21 there was, I don't know, even more than half less at the token than now, because now even the meme sector, 100,000 tokens deployed every single day. And in Psalm 21, that was like, yes, meme coin hype, right? But there's more liquidity to pump the tokens. Now it's not enough liquidity to pump all of them. And that's why now everybody who waits for every single altcoin pumps like 5,000% gains, 10,000% gains. It's not a big deal. Yes, let's go to the moon. Right, so what are you talking about? 2,000% gains, not a big deal for the altcoin season. Guys, this was a madness on the market. And Atom pumped at 4,000% gains from the bottom of COVID dump to that all-time high. And that's it. Why do people now wait for all of them, all of altcoins, 4,000, 5,000, 10,000% gains, like easily? No, it's not easy, guys. So don't build some crazy expectations, for your favorite altcoins. Another moment, guys, if the Atom's so great, why this token dump so hard, right? I totally understand the whole market is dumping, but here, from the top, it's like 1,200% gains down, because some people buying here, and now recover back to the break even. We need to pump like 1,200. So imagine if we will pump 50% of previous pumps, it can be like $72. Is it possible or not, guys? It's just a rhetoric question. Nobody knows the future. The chart looks absolutely weird, but I truly believe definitely we're gonna hit the 50% or even the full fill of this gap. So we can find this one, monthly gap. Not because of Atom is something special, no, just because of pure speculation. So this is almost full fill, and this is the next one. So let's be real. With little bit drop or without little bit drop, the first trouble area for Atom will be $6.16. Next one, it's a test of the yearly open. Next step is 2 liquidity pools, the K levels, 2 liquidity pools. To break the structure, we need, this is a monthly time frame. To break the structure, we need to break this high and start build the uptrend one. So it should be like this one. Bam, bam. Break the structure. Highly recommend you go and check the video about a break of structure. This scenario is possible, but I don't think so. We will see this retest of the yearly open, retest after the second touch. Here will be the touch. It's hard to say about the timing, guys. I just drew it by random, random by timing, but break the structure, drop with deeper correction or without this summer, for example, and the target conservative price target is $23. So at $23 at 0.5 level by FIP of this monthly gap, it will be not a mistake to fix some profit, because we can't know are the Atom will pump or not this cycle to the new all-time high. It's hard to say. I think like speculation, it's possible. Like speculation, it's possible. So let's say like this one, 1,200, yes, from the low, and it's more than real to see. Technically, it can be the accumulation right now under. So if we talk about on the levels, basically this one is monthly gap or close. Why we should drop now to $3 or even to the COVID dump low, I have no idea, and I don't see any reason. So looks like everything good for Atom now. Take a look now with a weekly time frame. Here was the last liquidity pool one. We leave it September 24 and come back and sweep it in March 25. So why we should drop now again under $3? I don't see any reason. So yes, I'm more bullish than bearish for Atom. Next step is, of course, locally we can retest it again. This one monthly open $4.30, right? But locally the road is open to the yearly open. It's $6.20. Sorry. And the next step is going to be this one. Next step will be break the structure $10. After that, of course, the road will be to 23, 25, monthly fulfill. And at equilibrium of all of this move, around here, we have to double check the timing, the BTC dominance and the Ethereum, dominance, the macro in the world. That's why I recommend you fix some profit at $25. Here is the accumulation, $5.55, September 23. Accumulation $6.50, and we formed the warranty, and the lowest point was here. Technically here even. The $3.38. I repeat again, I don't see any reason why we have to drop lower than $3 now. Is it possible? Yes, of course. So now here we are in the middle on the weekly. So definitely it's not some crazy bullish accumulation. The crazy bullish accumulation was here and here. After that, we bounce. Accumulation, bounce. Now, I don't see any accumulation like that one. If we will drop, yes, it will happen this summer. And the pattern repeat. So this is a accumulation from by direction, so everything okay. This is a capitulation, depression. So guys, let's be real. If the Atom is still will be exist on centralized exchanges, right? And they work on something, they got a market makers, they got interest from the community to buy this asset. And definitely this token will pump. Matter of time. Money power. But guys, for me, all of this token just a speculation. Money power. What I wish to see, of course, the pump. I'm not trading now Atom, but I wish all of you who traded the pumps, right, even in the spot. But the last time the money inflow was here in August 24. It's kind of weird. So $4.48. After that, the $10. So the fixation of the profit. Now no money inflow. It's kind of bad. It's kind of bad because we need some hype. So the Cosmos have to bring some on the table, right? There is no marketing, nothing basically now. Nobody talk about a Cosmos now. I rarely can find on Twitter some threads about Atom. Here's a fixation. Also kind of bad, even on the daily time frame. Take a look. The trade on the daily here was, yes, of course, buy, sell. No signal to buy yet again. Weekly, only signals to buy back. At least it's not a sell here. So the main signal to sell, distribute your tokens was here. Now it's time to accumulate. Guys, time to time, I recommend it to use the inverse scale. So when you see the chart like this one, is it bearish or bullish? For me, it's, of course, I wish to sweep this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool, this liquidity pool, because it's there is a lot of stop losses. Absolutely. Logically to see this one. And of course, guys, we are from the bottom here in June 22. I guess how many days? We're over than 1,000 day. Craziness. Take a look the weekly. Also, why it's good? Because here we trade under fundamental value. Now we hold the line at the buy line. So at least, I repeat it again, the buy line now it's $4.75. Next trouble area, it's yearly open and the take profit 9.58. When we sweep this high, at $10.65, exactly at the take profit line, it will be the break of structure of this local structure. Not a local, like weekly time frame, middle one. And we can see the correction again summer and build the uptrend structure to the monthly favorable gap. It's like a magnet. When it just a question without an answer. Nobody knows, guys, the timing. But I guess that over than 1,000 day is more than enough for everyone who want to accumulate the atom to pump this token and fill their bags daily. Daily, of course, if we will see the dump again, so it's a buy line. Buy line, it's a round number $3. I don't think so. We will see the round number $3. It's so obvious. 12 time frame. $3.008. All lines are dynamic. Yes, of course, the bad case if we test the yearly and after that dump here, sweep it again, this liquidity pool. So 350, $3. Of course, it's at this current moment, it's the best zones to buy. Can we drop lower? Of course we can. Can this token be delisted from exchanges? Yes, of course. And the target is yearly open, $25, $23 here of monthly gap, new all-time high. Pretty simple. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you would like to trade with my customer, what I showed on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.